What's the route for them to go here?
So para sa Aurora, last pick sa kanila para counterin yung hero ng Onyx. Preferably para sa Onyx Philippines hard carry since they picked up this Baksha. Somewhere along the lines of a Moskov, yung pwede nilang i-last pick. Whereas ito namang sa Aurora, pwede nilang piliin yung strong lane since meron naman silang lapu-lapu to get their damage output from yun yung kanilang pwedeng gawin. At also, kung sakali mag-Moskov, meron silang mga counter picks like Bruno as well as the Clint.
And not only the gold lane, kasi parehas na parehas yung kakulangan nila in terms of roles.
Yeah.
Even the roam is also missing.
Yun.
So in terms of that,
Yeah.
what's the options here para sa dalawang teams?
Ito yung gusto ko makita yung Atlas para sa Onyx Philippines. Alam ko merong Valentina dun sa kabila pero feeling ko, I just feel it. Sa game number 5 elimination match, ilalabas ni Brusco yung kanyang Atlas or that classic Tigreal. Hindi ko alam. Pero syempre mas preferable yung Atlas dun sa scenario na yun.
Right, and in this game number 5, ano ba yung hati mo between using a pocket pick or using something that you're best? This is prime time already that we're talking about.
Since play-ins tas elimination, ilabas nyo na yan. Huwag nyo na itago.
At ito lang, ang isa kong tanong hindi para sa you, Wolf, kundi sa buong San Juan Arena. Sinong mananalo sa Game 5? Casters, take it away.
Marcel locked in para sa Aurora Gaming. And with that, yan ang magiging hero ni Light.
Oh, I don't know, man. I would have preferred at this stage of the game, ilabas sana yung best of the best. Hinihintay ko sana yung Grok ni Light. Na ilang beses na natin nakita, ilang beses na niyang pinatunayan, one of the best Grok users in the league.